Hello and welcome to the seed series for 2023. Um, got all sorts of stuff in cups getting ready to go. They are sprouting. It's starting to get nice out, only today it's not, so I'm taking time off of uh, digging around and stuff and trying to get things loose and out and ready for stuff. And I'm just going to take a few videos and go have lunch. I don't know. Anyway, let's take a quick look at everything I have growing. I'm going to do a whole different series just on the asparagus, which is this stuff in here. Um, it's very funky. I don't know how close you and I can get to, where is it? That one. Can you focus? Can you focus? Anyway, that's an asparagus. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Let's see if I can get a finger. Oh yeah, that thing is tiny. Anyway, I'll get more into whatever that is in the asparagus video series, because apparently asparagus takes 4 years to grow to full size. Okay, so I got asparagus. I have onions. I've got two kinds of onions here, red and white. They're in red and blue cups, so I know which one is which when I go to plant them. They look like that. Little asparagus, not asparagus, those are onion pokers. I don't know, just the first leaves that come out from an onion. They seem to be doing well. I seem to have plenty, and not everybody made it up at this point, but it's all right. I think I'll have a good crop in there of onions when it's all said and done. That is a tray of marigolds. They were basically just planted this week, so no action yet. Same with the squat. Oh, wait a second, folks. Check that guy out. Where is the camera? There it is. You got a, oop, there it is. I need a better system of video. I really, really do. I need a better camera. I need a microphone. I need to do better. That's why people don't watch me, isn't it? I'm just not doing good enough. Oh, anyway. Check him out. That is the first summer squash to poke its little head up. So we'll take that. I found that. What is it? It's a little sprig of a rose. I stuck it in dirt, gave it some rooting stuff, and it's mostly died. However, the bottom is still green, and there's one tiny little spot that it could actually push out a new branch if it gets enough love and energy. So give it love and energy, folks. See if that little tiny rose can poke its way back up into life. That would be fun. Not even sure where it came from. Just a little sprig of rose I found in the yard. Don't have any roses in my yard, so it'll be fun to see if that actually survives. Anyway, I've got chives. Those are official chives. I am growing chives from packages that are 4 years old. I found them. I'm going to see if they grow. If they don't, oh well. It's all right. I'm not a big pressure person. I like to see if stuff just grows. These pots here basically are just leftovers of things that I don't think grew. I've got dirt in them, and some of them have grown some really pretty moss. that onion from last year is still going. I'm hoping to get some seeds from it. That would be cool. I think this was some of that ivy that I found, and that one didn't look like it made it. I've got like 5 other ones that I've clipped up from the thing that I found in the driveway and put into pots. They're all outside now because they're doing all right, and they need to start acclimatizing for the weather of northeast Ohio. Dun, 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 dun. See what I got here now. These red cups are not onions. They are the big orange. See, B-O. Big orange flowers. They over on the side of the house by the end of the driveway, and I took seeds and I planted some 2 years ago, and they grew in the other bed, so I was happy. And this year I'm putting some into pots, so I'm starting them off in these cups, and we'll see if they come up, which would be fun. I do not think that hostas seeds are going to make it. When I opened up the container I put them in, they basically had molded over and were wet, and I was like, no, it didn't dry properly. So I just kind of plunked a couple of the whole pods into each pot and put dirt and stirred it up a little bit. Hopefully something comes up. Who knows? I forget what this one was. This was something else. Oh yeah, that is the mystery seeds. Do not even know what they were. Found them in something that I had put in a container, and so I'm going to grow them, see what happens. Don't know. Not really seeing much action on the hibiscus. I think this was from Como. I need to focus here. I think that little spot there is about to send out a branch. Yeah, basically my mom brought the stick home from Hawaii in a little package. It said, "Oh, it's a beautiful Hawaiian flower, blah, blah, blah." Anyway, all it was a stick with a red tip, and I stuck it in the dirt like it said, and I'm keeping it moist like it said. Therefore, we're going to hope for growth. Anyway, I'm done with that talk. I have bell peppers. There are a variety of color: purple, yellow, orange, green, whatever colors they want to make, because they're mixed. Then I've got some cayenne peppers and some tobacco peppers, and then the ones that all say G2. These are generation 2 of the seeds I saved from the peppers I grew last year. So there's habanero, there is jalapeno, and there is serrano, and lots of good stuff growing in there, hopefully soon. I haven't really seen sprouts that look like peppers coming up yet. Should sometime soon. A couple little weeds, but we'll let them be for now. More onions. I wasn't happy with how fast the onions were coming up. I thought maybe I planted them too deep in their cups and they weren't going to come up. and it was taking forever. Plus, the dirt that I used was that dirt, and who knows how fertile that clayish mud is. We'll have to see it over time change into real soil as I get my composting system all set up this year and stuff like that. However, we got plenty of onions, red and white, and these are more asparagus. So yeah, happy with that. That is the seed tour for 2023, and I've talked way too much once again. Goodbye.